Off a diving Brett Lee. The slow ball almost fooled him into indiscretion. For a moment it looked like an easy catch, and then it just fell a little wide away.
It's again a variation. There was a quick off spinner by Brett Lee. Used the fall shot by Rohit Sharma, just passing Brett Lee. Couldn't latch on to that catch. He was on the move. The balance was on the front foot, and again to go back, it's not easy for a fast bowler. He tried his best, but in a win, lucky breakthrough for Rohit Sharma here.
Works away. It's also bringing up the 50-run partnership. Will be a boundary down to fine leg. The last ball of the over disappearing for 4. 173 for 4. And up and over. That was the invitation. He's not going to miss it. Was just waiting for it and carves it over long on for 6.
Good use of the feet to the flighted delivery by Kreza, and Kohli was in a flash to capitalize on that and went for a huge 6 towards mid-on. He'll be happy, man.
He uses his feet again. Similar shot, and the range a fraction higher. Well, 6 to end the over. Amazing hit over long.
Oh!
Well, worked it away. Audacity. Against whatever little spin. Found the gap. Boundary to him.
What a shot. It was a quicker delivery. He went against the spin. Good use of the wrist there by Virat Kohli. There's hardly any gap between mid-wicket and...
Should be at least a couple, if not more. Does it have enough to get to the boundary? Stuart Clark has got a lot of work to do. That boundary brings up the 200 for the boat President's 11. And Sharma moves into the 80s.
With Sharma.
202 for 4.
That'll run to the boundary. No fielder there. Does it have enough on it to go to the boundary? Yes, it has. This time it's Virat Kohli who will pick up a boundary.
Not even to the pitch. Again, staying in line. Easy pickings for Virat Kohli. Brett Lee has a lot of work, but the ball once again gets there before Brett Lee does.
Needs to tighten up. A long series coming up.
Fielder getting underneath it, but he has no chance whatsoever. Rohit Sharma gets into the 90s in grand style. Third 6 for him.
For once I thought he didn't time it too well, but he got the elevation right and he got the distance. That's the third 6 for Rohit Sharma.
And again, back-to-back sixes. Gets to 98. Rohit Sharma, 233 for 4. Should get one easily. He's quite content with the single. Takes him to 99. There's the loose delivery provided every now and again by Krejza. Third 50 in first class cricket for Virat Kohli. It's come at a very, very important time.
Well, he's got to his 50. Should be happy about that. But like you said, Shiva, he just can't be satisfied with that. Needs to carry on from here.
What a way to reach a spectacular 100. Rohit Sharma. The crowd stands up to him. His teammates are enjoying it. And everybody who's seen this innings will stand up and applaud this man's effort. 103.
The boundary brought up the 250. And runs are coming in rather. Worked away beautifully on the onside. Clipped away by Kohli for 4. In the air and gone. As I mentioned, well, it is a soft dismissal, but he's done his job. He's certainly a player who's full effort from him.
Once again, breakthrough given by Mitchell Johnson, pitching it short, couldn't time the...
Oh, my first impression was he didn't bowl that ball, and then I saw it. That's a rank long hop. What was he attempting, or did the ball got stuck to his hand? That's a free hit.
Opening the face of the bat intentionally, Partha Patel. Boundary will end the over. Catches the call, but just wide of Mitchell Johnson. The boundary will bring up the 300. It's 302 for 5.
Well, works it away. Very cheeky. Was getting a little big on him and guided it. Well, that's what he wanted to do on the earlier occasion. The bounce was absolutely right for him. Spooned it over point. Well, no stopping him. Driven away and jumps in the air in joy. His 4th first-class 100. It's been a wonderful performance from this Delhi lad. Under 19 captain of India to come. And got him. He has yocked him. What a delivery. Straight away into the block hole, and Virat Kohli is the man to go.
And I'm sure he didn't watch the ball. He couldn't sight the ball, that's for sure. That was a great delivery, good Yorker. Probably missing the leg stump. It's a close call. Convinced, came back very sharply. Oh, that was not out for me.
Well, free hit. He's been forced to bowl with an off-spinner who's had trouble pitching the ball. On day 1, 371 for 6. The board president's 11 won the toss and lost. Chopra, Jaffer and Badrinath before lunch went Krejza and Clark.
You are watching Neo Cricket.